Hi, and welcome back to the fourth video of this series. Here, I'm testing the hull for leaks. Also, I have done two marks at the front and back of the hull. These represent where the flotation line is supposed to go. I am adding weight to reach the flotation line. After that, I will have the total weight that the hull can have. Subtracting the weight of the deck, rigging, batteries, radio control, and other components, I will have the weight of the bulb. Since the bulb will be made of lead, I can calculate the volume of it, and with this, make a 3D design of the bulb with the exact size and weight. I have done the calculation of the weight, and I don't see any leaks so far. I consider this a successful test. Here you can see the final design of the bulb. It's a 3-part assembly ready to 3D print. Also, I'm printing the bulkhead templates number 1 and 3 to use while cutting bulkhead out of plywood. Now this is my idea for the keel box. I'm going to make it out of these two pieces of 3/16 plywood, and these here are 1/8 of an inch. I'm going to put the fiberglass in the inner side. I'm covering the keel with parchment paper so the resin will not stick. Put it inside the box and then clamp it together. This will create a perfect fit for the keel, avoiding any wobbling room. But at the same time, I can remove the keel. Fortunately, this idea will work. And then when the box is finished, I can attach it to the hull and connect it with the bulkhead 2 and 3. Lastly, I'm going to reinforce the upper part with more wood. This is the keel boat that is going to be inside the boat. I'm going to drill these two holes and use screws like this to hold the keel on position. Then I'm going to attach the boat keel here on the boat. I have to make a cut here using a rotary tool and then glue the keel box to these two bulkheads, number 2 and 3. 2 and 3. You can see also the supports for the servos here and here. After gluing these two parts, I will sand it to finish it. I have sanded and finished up the keel box. You can observe also the holes to keep in place the keel. I have reinforced the union of the box and the bulkhead using these screws. Now I have to do the cut on the bottom part of the hull, where the keel is going to pass through the hull into the box keel. This cut has to be very precise, since it can produce leaks. The idea that I have is using the LED of my phone to illuminate through the box keel, and since the bottom of the hull is transparent, I can make marks on the other side. That will guide me while doing the cut. Finishing the marks, I have to disassemble the keel boat to not damage it with the rotary tool, so the screws connecting the bulkhead are really handy. Here I can see clearly using the LED where I had to do the mark. complete the cut and assembly the keel boat with the bulkheads. Here also I have the keel and slice nicely until the end of the keel boat, like that. Now I have to figure out how to fill the gaps. I think a good amount of epoxy filler is going to do the job. I have to grab some paper on the keel so I can fill the gap between the bottom of the hull and the keel box. Don't forget to like and subscribe, it will help this channel grow, to share more projects and buildings ideas with you guys. Let me know what you think about the project so far in the comments below. Thank you for watching, see you on the next video.